Dear friends, we are all set for yet another group discussion. We are discussing which is more important, theory or the practical problems. We are equally divided between theory and problem. If you ask my verdict, well, I would like to keep it till the last moment. Let us hear from the students. Let's start with problem. This section is for problems, right? Okay then, we'll start. Piyush?
My name is and I will go for a problem because it exercises our brain a lot, and in my opinion I enjoy a lot by solving the problems rather than the theories. Theories is just to memorize that thing and just to, and I can even by listening it I can create it with my own mind, but the concept of problems and the way we will perform the problems and the way we will write it, that is very good as per my opinion, and that's why I will go for problems.
Okay, very good.
So let us have that diagonal kind of thing. Okay.
Yeah.
So
What-
the counter from the Monali side.
So in my
So-
point of view, I think I'll go for theory because as you said, when we do problem, then we have exercise and train. But thing is that when you do the job, then only it will work on it. But in real life, in everything, I think theory is much important. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, counter from this group. I think yeah. I think I have to complete this group
this
first,
group.
right? Yeah. Lisa.
Yes, Monali said that the practical problem work only in a job, but I don't agree with that because it also work on our life, the daily life. So I counter him how he said that, but in my opinion, I feel that it work on the job life as well as the daily life.
Yep. You counter.
Okay. Anyone from this side? This okay, theory Ramo.
Yes. So before Brother Subhranshu said that doing problems exercise our mind to be sharp, and us also theories can help our hands to be very ready to write more things, and theories can while writing theories and practicing theories we can improve our handwriting. So that's why theory is also important, and for personally I am good at good at memorizing things, and theories are very easy to understand. That's why I chose theory over problems.
Okay.
I think by
Yep.
I agree.
Then Raj has already
Yeah,
started, so
let him speak. Go.
I agree. Theory helps to understand the concept, but the application of knowledge is only is possible in problem, and the way you can more improve your stress and to reduce, and where to apply your knowledge and how to apply your knowledge in practical life. No one asks you the theory question. Only you face a problem and how to solve the knowledge and using the theoretical knowledge. If you don't practice in the theory, then you in problem, then you don't practice the theory in problem, then you did not get success.
Okay, fine. You have, for you to be successful, you have to be very good at problems. What you want to say? Right. Yeah. Divya, right. Good.
As he had mentioned that problems helps in the practical situation. Nowadays there are many technology in the work field that are doing the job of the calculation and the problems. So theory is important as you don't know the practical problem person, you can read the stepwise guidance, and it also helps in exams as you don't know a practical problem and you have a theory option, it will help in gathering the marks.
Right. Good. So theory option is always preferable.
yeah, Raj was interrupted.
What?
Yeah.
I want to counter both of them, because first I counter them. He said that if we practice the theory, then we improve our handwriting.
And I think that by using beautiful handwriting, in which sector you want to job?
Okay.
If
Yeah, fine.
every system
Okay.
is computerized, so it did not write to did not write to beautiful. If the handwriting is matter that the doctor was not a doctor,
Okay, fine.
then I want to counter him because he said that technology improves so that calculation is made automatically. By the improving of technology, the theory also will take theory problem also solve because by using artificial intelligence we can ask any question about the theory knowledge, but the artificial intelligence cannot solve the problems. So I think it is more important to practice problem to improve ourselves and get a job.
Oh, wonderful.
Good. Yeah. We'll come back to you. Yeah, yes. So, anyone from your side?
Amit.
In my point of view, theory is also important because we in theory we the mind the
Okay,
Sir,
would you like to come later?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then Sneha.
Yeah.
Okay.
In my opinion, theory is better than problem because in exam theory gets more mark rather than problem. Once problem will get wrong, then theory will get more mark like step marking. So that is my opinion.
Very good, very good.
We'll come back to you.
I want to counter Sneha. As Sneha said, theory will get more marks, and if you forget some point, you get wrong all the question and you get 0. But in problem, if you know the formulas, if you know the way of solving the problem, you get in answer you got 1 mark, and the process you got rest mark. And in job field, in job field the problem makes us in job field we do work on problem and theory. And someone said handwriting matters, but in problem you don't need handwriting, and in theory you need to know a particular language, but in problem you don't need to know particular language, you just know the amount, how process, formula, then you get the
Okay, good. Yeah, fine. Great. Next.
Data from Sriya. Okay, later. Okay, Rajshri.
Divya wanted to say something.
As he has said that technology or AI cannot solve the problems. Nowadays, any problem can be solved by the artificial intelligence, no matter what it is.
But the artificial intelligence cannot solve the balance sheet, cannot tally the balance sheet also. Because when I use to
solve it
accurate.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
There are so many automation nowadays that you don't need to enter any amount. It can calculate the amount from the previous entries or the voucher you have entered. So it can do it now.
Okay, good. Yeah, sure.
So by doing everything in the beginning we have to learn about the things and which is related to theory, and if we don't know about balance sheet, what is balance sheet, so we have to learn about what is the theoretical things, and then we go for the problem things. So in case of law, auditing, and even after the financial accounting in the plus 2 we have we start knowing about the basic things and the what is balance sheet, what is honor. So we have to learn about the theoretical things, then we jump to the problem things.
Good. Yes. Yeah, good.
Theory tells what and why, but problems is about knowledge apply. Problems understand the knowledge and improve our decisions making skill, analytical skill, knowledge, and decisions making skill also. In problem, we have to be understand the concept or apply. It is long lasting, and theory just memorize it.
So good.
So, as Neeraj bhai said, problem is long lasting. When unfamiliar problem and memorized problems change the patterns, we don't write the problems. It is not the answer. The theory is about the thinking ability. If you remember the some points, then you can write anything anywhere. If you know the answer 1 to 3 lines, you can write at the 2 to 3 pages in your thinking ability. That is also improve your thinking ability. If unfamiliar problems change, everyone shocked and don't remember the problems and situations. They also about compulsory, and they also compulsory to write a theory. If he got a step marking, he also compulsory to write theory, not the problems. Because they don't have know about the problem, so that they also if he try to got at least 3 to 4 marks, 5 at least get 1 to 3 marks. They also have compulsory to write problems, not the theory, not the problems.
Okay, right.
And problems only helps specified situations. And if your thinking ability is more improved, if you are reading more and more theory, then you can speak anything anywhere about these situations. If you know the problem, if you can practically write, not telling something.
Oh, good. Oh.
She said, as she said, we need 3-4 words and we can write 3-4 pages by connecting it. Well, we are not the poets or writers. We are the professional. We require the specific answer for the specific question. Well, while writing the become exam, no one sees your answers, so they give the marks. But in the professional, you need the specific answer. By practicing problem, you improve your memory skill, and you hardly require 15 to 20 days for the theory exams.
Good. Okay. Good. Nice. Yeah.
Practical problems are always based on the theoretical theory, and without theory you can't solve all the problems. And study the theory, you can gain your knowledge about more things and analyze the situation, what type of problems they are. So that's
good. Well done. If I can add down, if I can want,
I will talk
to add a few more points. Yeah, come.
Every subject is not important to do problems. Many subject has much importance in theories, just like law and economics. If in this field, problems are required to gain knowledge about some specific fields, but there are some other fields where the theories are also required. For example, law and law consultancy services.
Good. Well done. Good. Amit.
Yes, I can also get in professional line, CS is more based on theoretical basis. That's why theory is more important than problem. If you know the problem in exam, there is chances to wrong in problem if you know the steps. If we have in theory, if you have know about the concept, that you explain that concept and get some marks also.
Good. I'll come back to you. Yeah, Vivek, I think he hasn't spoken anything. Yes. Yeah, Gayatri, yeah.
I counted to Rajeshri because in CA and CMA is important for problems. I mean management accounting, financial accounting, indirect tax, and math also. So Rajashri said theory based, theory not theory also more marks on exam, because she said he know few lines, so necessary things all are right, but in CA and CMA professional life is not things you said one line and give 5 lines on dhaba. Means unnecessary things, so that's it.
Okay, okay, fine. Right.
The sister said that theory is important in life. So I did not that theory is important in life, because if you did not get a job due to theory, you can open a small tea stall as per calculation of manual problems. So problem is
good. I'll come back to you. Good. The final, Sagar.
I will choose theory because theory is better than problems. It helps us to understand the concepts, and theory teaches us why and how something works, and it is the best for solving problems. So I will choose theory.
Good. Right. Yes, yeah.
Someone said that he can, as if he have practical knowledge, so he can open a tea shop. But without business studies and without the theoretical knowledge about business, he can't open any type of shop or any type of business, and he can start any type of business without any theoretical knowledge.
Okay, fine.
So as Vivek said, theory is in practical knowledge. So in you do professional works. When you go to the interview, did you help the problem in interview? They also called in theory. That is a practical knowledge.
In theory also, in interviews also, the technical round is there. Technical round is, and they ask only questions related to problems.
Okay, fine. The second also wants to say. Okay, then Sairam will come. Okay, fine.
I would like to counter Sriya. She told that if we want to start a small business, we have to know the studies about the business. But most of the tea stall owners are uneducated, and they are doing perfectly.
Right.
And another thing is, with my personal experience, most of the subject which I have read in the 12th, they are almost all they are practical, like accounting and that. They are helping me in my professional journey. But the business studies is not helping me in my professionally, because the things I have read in the accounting is just like the VRS and like the accounting, the basic accounting theories. They are helping me in the professional accounting.
Fine.
That's the main thing. And most of the business owners or businessmen are not educated at all in the local market.
Fine, I understand. Fine, wants to say something, I think.
Archie said that he need theory to crack the interview. But what about after the interview?
Okay.
You need to performance there. In there is no theory. You have to pursue the practical problems. What should you do when there is you?
So you have to crack the aptitude test and all those things, and only then the interview question arises. So unless you go through the process, it will be difficult for you. Okay, fine. So problems are also important. So just not theory. Theory comes only when there is interview. For going to interview, you have to go through the problem process. That's what.
No, I have not said that, because the companies are hiring you to making the work
Fine,
which is
fine.
made to.
Practical is far more important than theory. Fine. Yes, Sairam, final conclusion.
Okay.
Back to Monali. Okay, right.
Okay. Yes, so my team members have told many points, they covered many points, and some of them are counted also, given counter also. And I also like to add two more lines that yes, theory is very much important for not only in exams but also in future to communication. But the thing is, what they communicate if they don't know how to solve the problem. What is they don't know what is the actual problem it is and how it is solved. And one more thing, like someone said that AI doing that, doing this, doing everything, but they're forgetting that AI itself made from problems. If you see, if you see any engineering students or software employees, they are doing they are creating the AI through the theory problems.
Okay.
Like that. So thank you. I would like to end my
Good
discussion.
Good. That is focus on the right.
As Sairam Bhai said that to make the AI artificial intelligence, they are using the practical problems, but it is the course they can grasp it and it will be using in the theory and the calculation also. And someone says that why it is only the CA and the CMA that they are used to practical problems. There are other professionals that like hotel management and communication consistency. They don't use the practical problems. For good communication, they need to learn the theory and the concept of the business so that they can consult.
There is a company secretary too. Okay, which asks reading and profit loss, balance sheets, spellings. Fine. Over here. What do you want?
So concluding the topic, theory is important because, as you said, without I think without going through the theory, you cannot do the problem. And another thing I'd like to add that as you want to start a company, then you need to go through the laws. So law is itself a theory, right? So you need to do. I think both are important in their way. So that's it.
Good.